we were sitting out on the step, you know.
Ain't nothing to it. So what you gonna do, Ron?
Yo, man, I'ma go over here and get this girl I love the rap, man, and see what it's at.
Now I'ma say this one time, boy, and that's my word.
We rock a shot to knock fire through the Hindenburg. Contribution is clear, you add water to bone and get the Jurassic vibe on the microphone.
Now if you like the tone,
and how the harmony is done, and something MC's diving for the gun.
but I like to know it. You got the notion.
We're number one. I'm not trying to say my style is better than yours. I'm just on some other shit. I'm all about the beats and the lyrics, so when you hear it, you can feel it. The vibe is energized by the presence of my spirit.
Yo, interference, we persevere. The purpose is clear. We're here to leave your ear hurt and severe. You're lurking in fear, cause we take it back like Robin Loxley, rocking from countryside to spots where hard rocks
I often wonder if the Zeus even know how it feels to dedicate the whole life to this mic. It's not about the real, it's not keeping it real. A lot of tight rappers out here and got no deal. We appeal to the brothers with flow finesse, cause it's the 100-watt gunshot game with death. Still protected by the government to birds and bees. Recline and feel the heat, recline and take a seat.
So let's take it back to the concrete streets. Original beats with real live MCs. Playground tactics, no rabbit in a hat tricks. Just that classic rap from Jurassic. Let's take it back to the concrete streets. Original beats with real live MCs. Playground tactics, no rabbit in a hat tricks. Just that classic rap from Jurassic.
Now I walk from Tanzania, earthquake Transylvania, and on the way I dig a hole through the wall in China just to get the right plan. Cause it's schizophrenic of the pen. I fell into the Duben. You shouldn't have told me the pyramids can hold me. So now a contest is what you owe me. Pull out your beats, pull out your cuts. Give us a mic, word up, and we can tear it up. I'm on some old and forgotten, sun up to sun down, like picking cotton. The nutty professors of science dropping, rockin', robbing. Stood from New York to Compton. Me and my 3 sons, Jabari, Shakir,
So let's take it back to the concrete streets. Original beats with real live MCs. Playground tactics, no rabbit in a hat tricks. Just that classic rap from Jurassic. Let's take it back to the concrete streets. Original beats with real live MCs. Playground tactics, no rabbit in a hat tricks. Just that classic rap from Jurassic. I-T-Y, do or die, anti-Illuminati. Why do love it with my vocals when the ghetto starts swimming? Forever winning, I'm in it like metal law.
I get goosebumps when the bassline thumps. A sucker MC the style, he had mine for lunch. Mark 7, get you open like an attaché. Briefcase in this case.